Hello and welcome to Azimotion Action RPG Game Development Series. So today we are going to do something different. We are not going to develop any feature, but in the next episode we will implement weapon equip and unequip feature. So to do that we need some animations. So currently we don't have that. So because of that, I'm gonna use Mixamo animation. So you all may already know this. There are tons of tutorial out there, but for the sake of continuity, I'm gonna follow you through how to get this animation working with our default mannequin inside Unreal quickly. So this is a Vibot from Mixamo animation. So I'm gonna choose equip. So this is the animation. So I'm gonna download this animation. All right. All right. So next I'm gonna create a new folder called Mixamo. So I already have created it to download these assets. So let's drag this into a folder. Here we have to specify import animations and make sure these two are active and hit to import all. Alright, so this will be a one-time process. After this setup, you won't need to import these skeletons and everything. You just have to download this equip or whatever the animation that you need after you set up this. So the next thing that if we try to this is the animation, if we try to retarget this to our default skeleton, it says make sure you have to have the similar retarget base pose, blah blah blah. So what they ask is you have to remap the bones and make them in the same pose. So to do that, go to skeleton and I'm gonna add the preview mesh to this, apply to asset. So this step will be needed and I'm going to select humanoid and hit auto map. So even if we hit auto map, these are not correctly assigned. We can go to advanced things as well. So we will have to do this by manual. So to do that, I have prepared a small documentation. So I will share this with you with all the required bones. So let's quickly you can follow this with me. Let's quickly assign these to this. So root we don't have a one, so let's ignore it. Pelvis to hips, spine 1 to spine spine 2 to spine 1, spine 3 to spine 2. Then we have the clavicle. It's at clavicle to left shoulder, left upper arm to left arm, left to left arm, lower arm to left. Left forearm, right, left hand to left hand, clavicle right to here, right shoulder, upper arm right to right arm, lower arm to right forearm, and to right hand. Index. Before going to index, next we have neck here. Neck to neck 1 to neck. You don't need to change that. Head to head. Thigh left to left up leg, left up leg, calf left to left leg, foot to left foot. Similarly, thigh to right up leg, right leg. Right, the basics are done. Let's save this. Next up, we have the advanced ones. Index 1 to left hand, index 1, left hand, index 1, left hand, index 2, left hand, index 3. Likewise, we can map the other fingers as well. 1 2 3 1 2 3, likewise. So I'm gonna left hand middle 1, left hand middle 2, left hand middle 3, and this left hand pinky 1, left hand pinky 2, left hand pinky 3, left hand ring 1, left hand ring 2, left hand ring 3, thumb, next thumb, left hand thumb 1, left hand thumb 2, left hand thumb 3, lower arm twist, left hand, left arm, lower arm twist to left arm. okay, index. Now the right hand index 1, right hand index 2, right hand index 3, right hand middle 1, this will be right hand index 2, right hand middle 2, right hand middle 3, right hand middle 3, right hand pinky 1, right hand pinky 2, right hand pinky 3, sorry, right hand pinky 3, right hand ring 1, right hand ring 2, right hand ring 3. This would be overwhelming, but I think it is easier for you to follow this instead of following me. So I'll put this link in the description. Let's finish this. Right hand thumb 1, right hand thumb 2, right hand thumb 3. Okay, for the twist, right hand for this right arm. Okay, calf twist. I'm gonna ignore ball left or base, right thigh twist, left thigh twist, left up leg, thigh twist, left up leg, calf twist. I'm gonna ignore ball right or base, thigh twist, right up leg, IK foot. I'm gonna ignore everything here. Every IK mapping, I'm gonna remove them. And I think we have finished everything here. All right, so that is the first step. And save it. Next, now if we try to retarget this, you can only see this source. So if this is not showing here, what you can do is go again to skeleton and assign a preview mesh, then it will show up there. So now from this Mixamo character side everything is fine. Next we have to retarget our, like actually map our bones of the mannequin to default humanoid character or the skeleton, and change this pose to a T pose. So I'm going to select skeleton, and it has selected humanoid rig. Now to map, it will automatically, this is always right, and I need to modify force and view force, and then I'm gonna use this upper arm right, and I need to change this to 45 degrees, so I'm gonna select this to like get the unit I want, and I'm gonna select 40. Alright, 45 here, 45 to this side as well, and lower arm minus 20, minus 20. So now our character is in, now we can hide and view our pose. Okay, save this. So now we need to save this. Now if we go to Mixamo character and try to retarget our animation we got from Mixamo, and if we select this, we should be able to get this target character. Previously this was not here. Right, now next thing we need to do is retarget. Now it automatically created when we retargeted, created this animation asset. We are equip animation. Right, so I'm gonna create a new folder called custom animations, any little minus. So I'm gonna move to here so we can later use this. So say again we need to download a new animation from Mixamo. So let's get, I don't know whether these will be useful. Let's download this animation, double click on it and it will load up here. So let's download this. Now we can give without skin and download. Okay, Now we can go to our Mixamo folder and unwrap. This is the new animation we got, and in here it automatically selected the previous skeleton, which is the unarmed equip or shoulder, so it will download automatically. Right, now we have this animation. Now what we have to do is just retarget, and again a new animation is created, and we can use those animations. So I think that covers the Mixamo animation retargeting, or using Mixamo animations within the default Unreal Mannequin. So I think that is it for this video. So in the next video we hope to implement the weapon equip and unequip feature. So until then, see you. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, put it under the comment section. So see you in the next video.